Hi, I'm Boris from ProDevelop. Do you know this situation? You're putting together parts for a repair one by one, brake discs, brake pads, maybe a sensor, and in the end, something is still missing. So why not do it with just one click? With PD part sets, you can instantly make your product range more powerful without any extra effort. Whether it's repair sets for brakes, steering components or shock absorbers, or maintenance and service sets like oil, filters, and additional parts. You get fully prepared part sets with verified vehicle fitment, clear parts logic, and ready-to-use sales data. What does that mean for you? Fewer wrong orders, higher basket values, and a much easier buying decision for your customers. Perfect for your online shop and across marketplaces. You save time in product management, simplify your processes, reduce returns, and increase both revenue and margins. And if needed, we'll tailor the sets to your specific requirements. Let's make your parts business simpler, more efficient, and more successful together. Thanks for watching. Feel free to get in touch. We'll show you how to get the most out of PD part sets.